Now, the aftermath of saving and sending to client is this what this video wants to address. Now, after I make the work in a folder and I sent you the entirety of folder, once you open it and you double click and launch the ArcMap window, what will you see? So I do not want to take your time by loading the ArcGIS, but then we're going to go through the other way. The ArcGIS is already opened. We're just going to go to open new document so that we see what I'm trying to explain. So this is the version you've sent for your client. That is the version that anyone 10.0 can open. So you click on it and you click on open. It's asking you to save this current one. I can say no or anything. Let's say no. Now, once it opens, you can see that none of the file is showing. Even if I right click, and there is no even zoom to layer, because there's a red sign you're seeing, a red question mark or something, like more like, now. So it means that this file cannot show. So what do you think we can do? Now, whenever you see this sign, it means it's not that the data is corrupt or something. Most of the times, like I've done work for a client and sent it to them, and then the next thing is that they're calling me saying, "Sir, the work is not opening." No, it is not so. It just simply means that this work was not done using your system. So because it was not done using your system, there is a defined destination to the work. But right now, what you just opened, the destination has changed. So you will have to define the destination. So all that is required of you to do is to click on that red sign, any of them at all, but make sure you know what you click on. So I'm going to click on the river here. So if I click on this sign, it's going to ask me to set data source. So as you've copied it to your system, where did you keep it? So now I kept it in GIS training. And then if you enter GIS training, you're going to see AHP, which is where the folder is. So all I need is to go and locate where river is. So I have river here. So once I click on river and click add, you've defined the direction and destination for all of the work, because the work are in one folder. That is why you see I insist on you making sure from this video to have a defined place where you keep your work in time of when you're sending it to client, in time of when most clients don't want you to send them the final map. They want to have the database. So this is one of the common mistakes that most people do. So I taken time to explain and do some things around it. So I hope that this helps you so that you adjust from how you've been handling a GIS project now that you are now a learned GIS analyst. All right, so I will see you in the next class.